Yeah, nation people. Right now, the DJ Khaled track where have the Jamaican them and on him album. Yo, well, all due respect, you know. But right now, I don't know why the man never put Skilly with one of them international artists there. Because to Skilly deal with the track, my brother, for them on the track with some reggae artists and deal with the track, so bumper ass cloth. Then you could have imagine if it was a hip hop artist, my brother. Yo, Skilly, your techniques wicked, no blood clot, you know. So all the man them that go on like say, Skillibeng has some lollipop thing. All the man them that go on like say, Skilly, them a lick out about trap thing and this and way. Yo, right now, you see to me hear the Trap Nation people. Right now, me that no disrespect to no artist, but me that prefer if a Skilly and Killer alone there on the track. If I saw the track, I go. Or I saw the track, I go. And I saw the whole thing, I go orchestrate. Right now, me prefer if a Skilly and Killer alone there on the track. No gimmicks thing not there about it. The two of them shell it well. You see what I say? Skilly shell with the track, Killer shell it. Because it come like Killer listen Skilly verse before me even drop theme verse, to me see him orchestrate theme verse. Yo, the chorus and everything nice, you know. Sizzler sound good pan theme track where him deliver. Keep it on the same thing, you know, Buju have the chorus and them shit, but me not gonna lie to the people. Yo, Skilly murder the track, you hear me? And it only a pity, say, I never one of them international artists there, him have Skilly with. But right now, we have to make DJ Khaled know, say, yo, we don't need no more of that, because here we are going. You have to remember, you know, people, say, you know, the whole thing, you know, America, the man album I promote, you know. You see what I say? If you promote shit in America like that, you have to promote the man them the proper way, you know. You have to promote the man them with the rap artists them. You can't promote the man them like that, like a reggae music you deal with, my brother. You see what I say? You have to mix up the thing, my brother, not joke shit. You know what I mean? I don't rate that still. But here what? The track is a track where you can listen to. You know what I mean? But differently. Without no disrespect to no artist at all, more rather Killer and Busy and Skilly do the track. Yeah, more rather if a Killer and Skilly alone they on the track. No joke thing that in my gear. No gimmicks thing that there about it. You see what I say? Yeah. A real way what I represent. Yo, Khaled, you see next time you drop an album and you talk about Jamaican, you leave the man them out of that bumper ass clot, you hear me? If you're not going to mix up the thing and stir it up, leave the man them a blood clot loan, Khaled. You hear that? No joke shit not there about it. If you're not going to mix it up and stir it up with the Jamaican artists them and the rap artists them, leave the man them a bumper ass clot loan, Khaled. You hear that? No gimmicks thing that about it. My uncle, please, for see, oh, the man them, did that act like say, them take Skillibeng for some form of bumper clot joke artist. And to all the man deal with the track right now, I would have rather if a Killer and Skillibeng alone on the track. No joke shit not dead about it. Because right now Skilly murder the blood clot track. The track dead. You see what I say? The track dead by the guns of Bang Bang. No joke thing not dead about it. And you can go listen to the whole track and say if a lollipop thing may talk. Yeah, the track dead by Bang Bang. Bang Bang kill it. You see what I say? Yo. These are the thing where you hear Uncle Gaza uncle that talk about. I said, don't mix the youth with the Jamaican artists them. And don't, you know, put them on them with the American artists them. A gimmicks thing bumbuckler DJ Khaled do. You see what I say? Me don't know if people are say, yo, he might look out for the John or whatever. Right now, it come like a whole year all back the bumbuckler John to me. You see what I say? All the fucking have skilly. With none of them rap bumbuckler rap artists there. A time you waste Scully, or you waste the man them time. We don't rate that, you know. You see what I say? Before say you know if I put none of the man them for your bumbuckler album then. Because the man them not could have stay at Jamaica and do that. But this is just a eye-opener for make the blood clot big artists them know say, yo, you can work with the youth them because the youth them have it. Look how Skilly show you. What Skilly show you now? Skilly make you know a film thing and a blood clot lollipop thing, my brother. And no funny about it. A real way what I represent. We not represent no joke bumbuckler way. You see what I say? Yeah. Yeah. Bumbuckler, we should have wake up. We should have wake up this morning with big excitement to how Skilly and a rap artist damage your blood clot album, but no. Yo, Khaled, no more of that DJ Khaled. Time your blood clot have your album, maybe if you not go mix the dancehall and the reggae artists them with bumbuckler hip hop superstar. Leave the man them a bumper ass clot load. You see what I say? Because I not go say the track can't hit internationally because nothing really name can't. But it no look so to me a bumper ass clot. And if you not look for it internationally, now put the man them for your blood clot album. And that me I say. If an international bumper clot it's your look, now put the man them for your bumper ass clot album. No gimmicks thing no dead about it. I mean not care who the fuck want to talk about this or that. Cause we are not a blood clot, yes man. We don't run behind people, my brother. So it no matter if I call you or who. You see what I say? A dancehall we are represent for, we are look for the best blood clot dancehall. And that's another best. Because you know you want the best for the man them or say you rate the man them or them thing them. You have to mix the man them with international artists so the man them can get bumbuckler international hits. But the bumbuckler to not deal with. Eh? We not violate no man, but a real thing we talk, we have to talk it out bumbuckler, my brother. This morning we should have wake up and be a cheering supposed to go on. You see what I say? Because you have some hip-hop artists and some bumbuckler dancehall artists. Those shell well, the whole of DJ Khaled album. But no. You want bumbuckler. Like, me not know. If you just put the man them on the album for make up the album, me not rate that a bumper ass clot all, my brother. Look how Skilly a fire. Eh? Look how the way bang a fire. Eh? The man cannot bumbuckler fire. So remember say bang a hot artist, you know, my brother. Where you do? I try cool on the man career, that you do. Yo, DJ Khaled, man, no rate that, you hear that? No gimmicks thing that they about that. You see what I say? It come like a waste a bullet a while ago. No joke shit not dead about it. It come like a waste bang bullet, my brother. Me not disrespect the elderly artists them and the legend them, you know. But the man them can stay at Jamaica and do that by themselves. The man them no need bumbuckler DJ Khaled to do that what DJ Khaled do. The man them not need DJ Khaled for them come together and do no fucking collaboration. That's not a joke thing, a real thing me I talk about. You see what I say? Yeah, the man them can stay at Jamaica and do that bumper ass clot. You know what I mean? Yeah. Where you need DJ Khaled for him bumbuckler, big connection them where him have with the international bumbuckler artists them. So if you do international album, you're supposed to mix the man them with international bumbuckler artists because international it's ya go for. What the bumbuckler you do Khaled? Eh? What I say you do? Eh? I was supposed to jump up and cheer on and Ray, we love it. We not love it a bumbaras clot. You hear that? No gimmicks thing that they about it. There's what I deal with. And when man attack truth, man a bumba clot. Respect.